This one, I guess I can explain this.
Go ahead, Will.
Laser projected GPS direction should be a standard feature on every bicycle. So this little device is called the laser cube. I actually have it right here.
Oh. Whoa, a live
big
demonstration.
I don't want to do it because it's got to warm up and stuff.
Okay.
But someone decided to use it on their bike at night, and it could project on the ground the direction in which you should go. Navigation.
Live navigation. That's very cool implementation.
It's just like a laser system.
Yeah.
And it has colors, and it tells you the direction as well as the distance. Obviously, this thing is like
huge.
I don't know, like at least big. 5 pounds.
Yeah. So you're gonna have
but the idea of this is really cool.
Really find a solid way of rigging it. You also have to power it. It has a battery in it.
It has a battery, yeah.
And
standalone.
And it's only gonna work at night.
Yes.
Because the laser's not gonna show up against the sunlight.
So it's projecting in front of a bicycle, and then it shows the directions and stuff. It's cool.
Let's see here. Why did this person do it? Probably to be cool, but to do something cool. A decade ago, companies were integrating them into bike taillights, virtual lane markers on the road around a cyclist to create a virtual safe space that drivers and other cyclists will subconsciously stay clear of. We've even seen laser projectors added to bike headlights to project highly visible warning on the road about 20 feet in front. I can see the safety aspect for sure. That person is way more visible than if they were just a dark bike. With that huge laser on the ground, you're going to spot it from a mile away.
And I figured, if you're the cyclist, you don't have to look down on your phone.
No.
You can kind of look straight, but down slightly to see the direction.
Yeah, it's kind of like when you have in cars that they have the HUD, which is in the windshield, so you don't have to look down to see the speed you're traveling or the way to turn. Cool. Laser guided GPS on a bike. Look at the mount.
Big
a serious mount for it. And then the nav goes on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, cool stuff.